Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change languages on iPhone keyboard. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. If you're on your iPhone and you have your keyboard and you are to switch from one language to a different language, I'll show you how to do it. So let's just open up Messages app. I will open this conversation with my mom, and from here, all you need to do is tap the text box. You can see if I wanted to switch between different languages, there's a little globe icon at the bottom left. I can tap on it and it switches from English US to Netherlands, so I can switch it back and forth. Now if you don't see this there, the ability to switch to different languages, you can always hop out of here, open up your settings. Well, scroll down, tap on General, and then Keyboard. Now we'll tap on Keyboards at the very top here, and you can see I have English, US, and Dutch. If you don't necessarily have another keyboard or the one that you want to switch to, let's just hit Add New Keyboard. And on here, all you have to do is select a different keyboard there to add it. Now if you go back into your app, your keyboard here, you can again tap on that little globe, and again it will switch between all of those different languages or keyboards. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.